Türkiye is taking a major step toward strengthening its independent drone technology sector with the unveiling of the ALPiN unmanned helicopter at IDEF 2025. Developed by Titra Teknoloji, this rotary-wing drone is based on a conventional two-seat helicopter but has been re-engineered into a fully autonomous platform with custom-built servo systems and a proprietary autopilot suite, enabling one-touch vertical takeoff and landing without human intervention. With an operational range of 200 kilometers, a top speed exceeding 200 kilometers per hour, and the ability to stay airborne for over 9 hours, ALPiN is tailored for demanding missions in remote and high-risk environments. Capable of lifting up to 200 kilograms of payload, including fuel and mission equipment, the aircraft is designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, supply transport, and other logistics operations in areas where traditional aircraft cannot operate. Its service ceiling of 6,400 meters allows it to function effectively in both lowland and mountainous terrain, over land or sea, day or night. The drone is powered by a 130 horsepower gasoline engine carrying 175 liters of fuel, allowing stable operation in winds of up to 37 kilometers per hour. ALPiN can hover, rotate for precise target tracking, and integrate multiple types of mission-specific payloads. Beyond military tasks, it can support civilian needs such as agricultural monitoring, emergency response, communication relays, and deployment as a mobile base station during disasters. Equipped with a dual-redundant autonomous navigation system, ALPiN supports real-time flight planning with over 100 programmable waypoints, automatic return-to-base protocols, radar altimetry, inertial navigation, encrypted data transmission, and SATCOM/VHF connectivity. Optional features include GNSS anti-jamming, FF identification, and camera-assisted target tracking. It can also be configured with EO/IR sensors, synthetic aperture radar, LiDAR, SIGINT, COMET, and AIS modules, expanding its flexibility for both military and commercial operations. Titra Teknoloji, a subsidiary of Pacific Technology, has also introduced the ALPiN 2, an improved variant offering advanced cyber defense features, an upgraded autopilot, and a redesigned internal cargo winch for safer and more efficient payload delivery. This evolution demonstrates Türkiye's determination to strengthen its homegrown capabilities in vertical takeoff drone technology, aiming to meet both defense and humanitarian mission demands without relying on foreign suppliers.